For example, castor oil. If you see the castor oil, you will find it is a very thick oil. Correct. Whenever you take castor oil, it's totally tasteless, right? And you will find that it is a property. Many properties are there. Castor oil. One major property is that it basically lubricates our gut and allow everything to go down. Weight loss diets, they say many things about weight loss. The key thing is, if your gut is clean, your weight will be automatically controlled. But people will not say that. People will say take this, take that, but ultimately it will be gut which is to be. What is a symptom of gut control? Gut is clean. Very simple. When it will be night, early morning, before the defecation, there should not be even single gases. There should not be creation of gases. That is known as gut is clean. You have taken the food which is exactly required. See, the gas formation is there when the combustion is not proper. Very simple. You can imagine if the firing is not good, it is known as bhatti. It's very simple fire. So combustion is not there, and that's why gas formation is there. That's why then indigestion. The next stage is indigestion, then acidity. So you will find acidity there when the gas is there also. So they are vice versa. The tongue will be white or tongue will be a kind of yellowish. Now this castor oil, it passes through it and it cleans it actually lubricates everything. In our body, lubrication is there automatically because the mucous membrane which is there, it always secretes a mucilaginous mucus and engulf the defecating material and it pushes down. Okay, so you can do this experiment that if you take castor oil, maybe if you are taking castor oil of 2 or 3 spoon, take it 4 spoon, and you will find that you will have to go to toilet immediately after 4 or 5 hours. Similarly, if you eat papaya, the complete papaya, you will have to probably go for 4 or 5 times. Okay, so because it is a complete defecation occur. So but remember that our gut is very much used to some habits and it takes the habit very quickly. So be aware of this. There are people who, unless and until they eat tobacco, they cannot go to toilet. There are people who eat at night the trifala or suksarak. They cannot go to toilet in the morning. They say that there is a feeling that I have not taken trifala yesterday, so there was no toilet. So gut he has a habit, not only emotional habits, physical habits, but it has something which is in between also. So remember that this is the most portion which has the innervation of both sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, controlled as well as uncontrolled. Right? When you perform many yoga, for example, if you do Nauli, you will find that partial control you will have on the stomach. Nauli. So if you don't pay attention to that, probably you will get into that particular habit very quickly. Right? So habits very quickly get on to our gut.